Hey, if you have this issue that one of your earbud is not working, for example the left and the right one, so I can show you how we can try to fix this. So first of all, just remember to put both earbuds inside the charging case and simply be sure that you charge your earbuds in the case for like 5 to 10 minutes by using this USB-C port on the front. After this, you will have to simply close the case, open it, and now you will have to also keep that case open and locate this side button. Let me just catch focus on it. Here it is. And we'll have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking slowly. So when we click and hold it, currently it is blinking quickly, but when you keep holding this button, it will actually start blinking slowly. 1, 2, 3. And now we successfully performed the hard reset. As you can see, we are not connected anymore with our smartphone. So what you have to do is just to simply go into the Bluetooth settings, then open the Bluetooth settings and simply unpair the previously connected devices. So click to unpair. Now simply restart the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. And now just click on the Redmi Buds 5. Try to pair them one more time. Now accept the pairing request. And as you can see, now we are connected back. So from here you can tell me if it works. That's the simple hard reset method that this function is, this process actually restore all the settings to the default state. And if it doesn't help you, there is only one way to use the warranty of this device and send it back, because there's no any other method to actually fix this. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.